Hola mi gente, ¿cómo está? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make your brown eyes pop a little bit more. And that's maybe why you were wondering why I had, regular makeup on but didn't have any eyeshadow on. But I'm going to show you guys using this palette right here from Profusion, and I got it from Walmart. Oof, the outside is a little dirty. Sorry, but I got it on clearance for $2, so I thought, why not show you guys, some makeup. And then a bunch of the colors in here are perfect for brown eyes. Like, brown eyes are so universal because you can do all kinds of eyeshadow looks with them. Any color looks good, but I find that really warm tone colors, like the colors in here, are really beautiful and like so good for making your brown eyes pop, whether you have dark brown eyes or light brown eyes. I fall under the very dark, almost black eyes, but it's no biggie. And honestly, these colors are really pretty, and this, like, they blend out so beautiful. It's like a high-end quality kind of eyeshadow. And it's the mattes. I don't know if there's a specific name to this one. I'm not seeing it. I'm just seeing 10 matte eyeshadows, but I think they might have different kinds, but this is like a warmer tone one, so that's what we want to use to kind of make our browns pop. Or any kind of purples also work. You can maybe put like purple underneath your eye, so that would match my my hoodie. But especially like these orange ones. But enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and
Hey you
start.
guys, I decided to switch on to voiceover right now, but okay, so first I'm just gonna start off with using a light brown transition shade, and it's not really like a dark brown, it's just a light color. You want to go in for the lightest shade, and I'm going in with the shade Dull right there. It's just like this light contouring kind of brown color, just to use to transition our colors more easier. And you want to kind of go in your crease, but you can also extend to your eyebrow because it is going to help us transition those colors. So now we're just going to do the same to the other side. Just make sure you blend it out. Remember that this is going to be the transition shade, so you want to make it look nice and blended just to your liking. I like mine really blended, so that's why I'm kind of going a little bit ham with the blending, but that's alright. Okay, so now you want to go in with just a slightly darker brown, just not too much darker than your transition color, just a little bit. And I like to take it a little bit down the bridge side of my nose, just to get some contour to going on there. But yeah, and then I'm showing you I'm going in with this orange color. Sorry you can't tell very well, but it's that orangey kind of tone right there, and it just makes really nice color. And of course, like, we're gonna blend it out. Maybe a little scared, but trust me, we'll blend that maybe. And I'm taking the same brush this time, and I'm just blending it with a transition color. And you can use your fingers as well if you see it's too harsh. Guys, don't forget that your fingers are also tools that you can use. Just make sure that they're clean. But just keep blending, and I still take a little bit of that orange even down the side of my nose, like the very top side, just because I find that it looks nice on me. You may not like it, but I like it, and it still adds a little bit of contour. So yeah, it looks really orange right now, but trust me, it'll all come together. But honestly, I think it looks pretty just the way it is. Oh, and there I go, blocking the camera, as usual, right? As usual. But yeah, just do the same to the other side and take it down your nose if you want to. Make sure you blend. It's all blended nicely, just to make those brown eyes pop. The orange really like helps make it stand out. It gives it like a warm undertone. It's something about like orangey colors that kind of make them pop. Here's it now, just with the finished, what we have right now. And now I'm taking a crease brush and I'm just going in with a dark brown, the dark brown on the corner. I have no idea what that shade is called, I can't remember, but it's a brown color, but it's a little purple, just has a tiny purple hint to it. So remember what I said, that browns, the purple and browns and oranges bring out those colors on those eyes. So we just want to really blend this now with the crease brush. And it takes me a minute, but we get there. And I'm doing this in real time, so you guys like are seeing me actually do it step by step, and it's not like lots of things are cut out. No, it's real time. But you see I'm using like a back and forth motion. I'm not really using like upward strokes. I'm kind of doing back and forth because I want it to blend together nicely, and I still want the orange to be kind of visible. So I want them to kind of like mix together really well. And I'm also taking some of that purple on the side of my nose, just blending away. And if the top looks a little harsh, that's okay, because we're also going to go in with like a white highlight underneath the brow bone. And now I'm taking that old brush again just to blend out the orange and the purple together, make it look smoother. And see, that's one eye with it, one eye without. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So you just want to put some more of that brownish purple color in your crease and just keep blending back and forth. And there goes my mirror again, blocking the way as usual. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. And especially under these lights, it makes my my mirror look really dirty. So it brings out all my fingerprints and if I got makeup on there. So I'm trying. See, there we go. Now I'm apologizing for it. I will try to keep that in mind. But just keep doing the same thing to the other side. This is like my first time coming back since the break, so it's kind of weird having to get used to doing this again and looking at the camera. But I love this look. I've been wearing this eyeshadow look a lot here lately. Now, still blending a little bit. And I hit the camera. And now we're going in with that same brush, that orange one, just to blend it in. What you do to one eye, you should do to the other one, so that way it looks the same. But just make sure it's as blended as you want it to be. I want it really blended. This is for like, you know, going somewhere, kind of makeup. But it's snowing here in Texas, and I'm not going anywhere the day that I filmed this, because it was snow outside. So I figured I'd just film this for you guys. But there we go. Now we're finished with the crease colors, and we're moving on to the lid colors. You want to take another lid brush, and I'm going in with the whitest shade right there. And I don't know what that one's called either. I'm so bad at that. But you just want to go and put it on your lid, and I kind of pat it down at first, because that's how you get the most pigment out of your shadows, and then I sweep it across just to blend it. So yeah, see what I mean? And then you want to take some of that underneath your brow bone as well, and this part helps blend the top together, so it might not look as harsh, so it'll look blended and more smooth. And it really makes your eyebrows look lifted when you do that. And it makes you look awake, see what I mean? And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Like, white really helps your eyes like pop, so putting it on your lid really makes them like look like they're awake and like you're bright and it looks pretty. And then we're going to take it underneath the eyebrow again, that one. I love a really white like brow bone. And I'm not taking, it's not a shimmer shade, by the way. These are all matte shades. So hey guys, I've been like thinking about doing maybe a tutorial on how I cover up like my acne and stuff. So comment down below if you guys would like me to show you that. Oh, now I'm showing you that I'm not using any eyeliner. You can, but honestly, sometimes I feel like I ruin my looks when I do eyeliner with it. So I'm just taking another little tiny brush, a little angle brush kind of, and I'm taking that dark brown color that we used in our crease, and I'm putting it just underneath the lash line to kind of give it a smoky effect. And I'm taking that one in my waterline. Sorry if I said lash line, I meant waterline. And I'm just taking it and just kind of smoothing it, blending it right there, back and forth motion. Making it a little darker on the edges, because I like it a little darker on the corner of my eye. You can make this as smoky and as intense as you want it, but I liked where it was at, and so now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Sorry you guys, I need to like cough really quick. The bottom lash line. See, this is like both of the eyes now. Both of them just blended. And I'm gonna use this Clinique mascara. I have no idea what it's called, but I'm just gonna put it on my lashes. You can use any one. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna replace my lash. Whoa, I mean I'm gonna put fake eyelashes on top. And honestly, this mascara itself, it's okay. Like, it's your basic mascara. But if you're not gonna use lashes, then go in with your favorite one, you know. But for me, it doesn't really matter. I just need them to be black, that's all. And just keep putting them on. And I will do the same to the other side. And I'm going to put on mascara on my lower lashes as well. There I am. I don't know why I laughed. I did something funny. But I don't know what it was. For some reason, my lashes always grow, like they always come out straight, you know? But I guess that's the way I was made, right? Straight lashes. It's okay. And just put them on your lower lashes too. And I like a lot on my lower lashes, so I'm going kind of ham with that. Yeah. Sorry if you guys hear my family in the background. My sister is shouting that she wants cereal, so... And just do the same to the other eye as well. You remember the rule, what you do to one eye, you should do to the other eye. Putting on mascara, a lot of it still on the bottom lashes. I go back in with a second coat underneath my lashes because I like them extra long looking, like you can tell I have bottom lashes. But of course, do whatever you like. If you don't even like bottom lashes showing, you don't have to do it. But now I'm going in with my Kiss eyelash glue. And this one's in the clear color. It's not the black gel, but I love their mascara gels. They're made with aloe vera. Oh man, I'm so goofy. But they're made with aloe vera and they're amazing. I love those for my lashes. They stay all day. It's like $2 at Walmart, but I love it. I'm just putting it on my lashes, and then we're gonna give us some eyelashes, some new ones. Now you have to let it dry for like a couple seconds. But this one's really good. I really love this eyelash glue. It's made with like aloe vera, and they have the clear one. I recommend the clear one for you guys, especially that are like just barely starting to put on lashes, or if you don't really wear eyeliner, because the black one will like show up. If you get it anywhere else on your eyelid, it will be black, you know, and it's a black glue, so the clear one doesn't really like show up if you do happen to get some on your eyelid. But if you're like me, you can get both of them. I love this stuff. I can't tell you guys how much I don't. I love eyelashes. I used to never like false eyelashes, but now I've grown so fond of them. They become a part of my like daily makeup routine. And when I go without them, I feel my eyelashes feel kind of naked. Like, what? I need fake eyelashes. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. It's really crazy how much of a difference eyelashes make. Doing my eye makeup is like my favorite part of putting on makeup. I love that. Just put it on. Sorry, it's taking me forever to put it on. I'm just letting it dry. And now I'm looking at the difference that it makes. So, and you want to make sure you put them in the middle, like grab it by the middle and put it right in the middle of your lash, so that way it can blend in with your lash line. And then if you need to use tweezers, go ahead and use tweezers, but make sure the ends look nice, and basically you want to get super close to your lash line. So that way it looks blended and it doesn't look like you're wearing like false eyelashes really. These ones are ones that I got at the dollar store.
Yeah, I will turn mine down.
Oh, sorry, that was my sister. But, yeah. I love these. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they actually look pretty nice. I was super surprised. Like, look at that. And see, that is the end result. Guys, I love this eyeshadow look. It's so pretty for like any kind, for fall, for summer, for spring, winter. Oh, and there's me with my crazy hair. And we'll be back. But I'll see you guys in the next scene. And you guys, that is the end result. Oh my gosh, I'm so goofy. I'm sorry, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like this how to make your brown eyes pop makeup tutorial, but I'll see you next week. Bye.